I'm thirsty.
Then just go get some drink.
But I don't have any friends to go to canteen.
Do you want me to accompany you?
Of course, if you don't mind.
Okay, I am free. Let's go.
Come on.
Are you sure about that?
About think so. Tidak. Wait. Where are you going, guys? We are going to the canteen.
Will you join us?
Yes, I will.
Let's
Let's go.
Guys, I get you something to drink, watermelon juice or coconut drink.
Coconut drink.
Thank you.
Okay, wait for me.
Nah. Senyum tuh. Tanya untuk kumiro dah.
Do we have any homework for tomorrow?
Why? I really to remember it.
I think we have taken for English class, but I have finished in 8.
Should I?
Oh, really? I have done it really hard for me.
Do you want me to have a look for your project?
Yes, please explain more about passive voice after school hours.
Don't worry, I will explain it to you.
Thank you.
What I found that hamburger?
Thank you.
You are very welcome.